Welcome to IFA. I fix everything.
Today's project is a bathroom faucet installation. It's part of a deeper bathroom remodel video. I previously installed the plumbing. In this video, I'm going to carry it from the rough-in plumbing to the complete operating faucets. I chose a Delta faucet for this installation. I like its quality, durability, and style. I began the faucet installation with a dry fit. I placed the faucet in the sink openings using the protective cover to prevent fingerprints. The handles are secured to the faucet with a set screw. I will install those next. I'm going to use the sink as a corral while I install the set screws, so I plug the drain in case one gets loose. This is a close-up of the indexed faucet actuator. It engages the faucet stem and sets the open and closed position of the faucet handle. I was rather surprised to find the faucet shipped with the valves in the water-on position. With both handles seated, I snugged the set screws. I temporarily removed the faucets from the sink and placed them in the vanity drawer. I raised the sink and supported it against the wall at an angle, allowing clearance to install the faucets. It was much easier to install the faucets at eye level than inside the vanity, upside down. I installed the stainless steel braided hose quickly and easily without the use of a special tool called a basin wrench. I was able to use a crescent wrench because I was not in cramped quarters. Next, I installed the drain with the pop-up connection facing the rear of the sink. I used an adjustable combination wrench to tighten the large lock nut. I temporarily installed the pop-up lever to the drain and attached the lift arm. I removed the sink from the vanity for two primary reasons. It allows easier access to the plumbing from the top instead of through the cabinet door, and it provides better lighting. I took advantage of the situation and filmed a better view of the pop-up operation from two angles. This will allow you to get a better idea of how the linkage is connected and how it functions. Because I'm opening the doors and drawers more frequently, I decided it's a good time to install the drawer pulls. The only tool needed is a screwdriver. A common or a Phillips will work. ABS pipe is more affordable than PVC, but it can only be installed in drain systems due to its reduced pressure. Unlike PVC, ABS does not require a primer to chemically bond the pipes. I'm installing a reducer and a coupler to the drain pipe. Apply the cement to both surfaces and press in place and hold for approximately 30 seconds. If you release the connection too early, the chemical reaction will cause the pipe to shift outward and give you a failed joint. The next step is to pre-assemble and dry fit the P-trap for the sink drain. The P-trap has a slip-fit connection at the input and output that requires a seal, but no seal at the swivel joint. The drain line exiting the wall is directly in line with the sink drain. Therefore, the swivel on the P-trap will be straight. After measuring the distance from the drain center line to the back of the sink, I slid the P-trap in so the center of the trap was aligned with the center line of the sink. I loosened the gland nut and slid the P-trap forward. Then I wrapped a strip of electrical tape around it to mark my cut line. I slipped a spare coupling on the line and tightened it up to act as a fence as I cut the tube to size. To prevent damage to the seal, I scraped away the burrs with a razor knife. The tailpiece supplied with the faucet was too short to reach the P-trap, so I added a 6-inch extension. The compression nut and ferrule that I'm removing is for copper lines. We're going to be installing stainless steel braided hoses. Be sure the valves are supported as you tighten the line nuts. Open the valves and inspect for leaks prior to turning the faucet on. I double-checked the drain valve operation prior to filling the sink. Next, I tested the drain valve to make sure it was working properly by adding a small quantity of water to the sink to see if it would hold. Then I opened the drain valve and checked the trap for any signs of leakage. The last step was to fill the P-trap completely with water to prevent the backflow of sewer gas. This is why it's named a trap. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a little bit along the way. If you did, please remember to like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Remember, subscribers are always welcome.